Hello YouTube, we're back. So last time we created two Neumorphic view. One is a pop-up and the other one is like a cave-in view. So how are we gonna use this? See, it's just a plain UI view. You're gonna use it somewhere, right? So I found it quite interesting if I use this view as a button, like it will show text right here, and then when I press it, it will cave in. It will be kind of cool. So that's what we are gonna do today. So let's create a button called Neumorphic. I don't know. It's called Neumorphic Button, and we're gonna use this good old UI button. Let's see, and let's put some. All right, and now let's do everything step by step. Okay, so I will put this button here first. Let's see. I have some snippet. This is not the UI button, it's Neumorphic button. Gonna use this Foss. Need this, and let's make this the button plastic. Oh, come on. Okay, and I'm gonna create this function for button plastic. I'm gonna simply just print it. Alright, we'll move this function back down here. Okay, so we're gonna add this button. More button. Oh, we call it button. Okay, whatever. Let's make the name more obvious. Okay, right here, and we're gonna put this underneath, I think. I was coding in React Native and Vue.js, so always in JavaScript, so I always use a single quote now, and give me some problem. Oh, okay, I think I somehow do this wrong. All right, let's add it. More button anchors. I want to anchor the top to this Neumorphic inner view. This is in the middle, right? This I would use my finger. Bottom anchor, and give it some space. And inner view, I want it to be same width and the height also 64. Let's see, I don't think you will see anything because I don't have any text here. First, let's set the title using single quote again. Button and normal. Okay, so far I think you will see a text right here. With a button there. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so we have to add this view inside this button. That's easy. So we just create some Neumorphic View. Let's make it private. I don't want it to be I don't want it to Neumorphic View. Is it called Neumorphic View? Neumorphic View. Well, yeah, I think I can just anyways, I'll do this anyway. I'm used to it, to use the function, how to call this, function initializer, I don't know, whatever the name it is. I'm just used to it. And I think I have a spelling mistake, do I? Yes, I do. Oh no, did I spell this wrong? Oh, this, oh, whatever, you got it, you know what I mean. Okay, so we have to add this, we have to add a sub view, we have to add this Neumorphic View here, and we want it to fill the whole thing. Again, this view, super view is a function that an extension that I wrote here. So do we see anything? Come on. Oh, see this, we have this button here. I don't like this text. So I'm gonna change this. Do I have that color? I think I do. I think I make this color. Oh, here, dot shadow text. Okay, I know my naming is is bad, but well, it's gotta be like this in a normal way. Alright, so we have this button here. Looks good. Looks good. Can we run it? No. Let me see. We don't see any action here, because when we have a view inside our inside our button view, it will absorb the touch. So what we need to do is, because it's just a view, right? So what we need to do is just to set is user interaction with enable, set it to false, and then we can touch it. Yeah, come on, view. Okay, we still don't see anything. Why? How about let's build it. Okay, my laptop is kind of slow, so when it's building it, launching, let us create another view. Oh, just create it here. Come on. What took you so long? I think it launched it, but why isn't it showing up there? Huh. Interesting. Show here. Oh, it's because we are still using the main storyboard, I think. Oh. Here. We don't use storyboard anymore. Like, no storyboard. Okay. Come on. Don't waste my time. Alright. It's built and it showed there. When I press it, okay, somehow it doesn't work inside this. But it works in our simulator. So you see it got pressed. Oh, and remember you have to add this user interaction enable to false inside your view. Okay, so we are going to add another view to it, adding this inner Neumorphic View inside, so we can use it later. Let's make a private Neumorphic inner view. Oops. Come on. Let me quickly type it. And gonna make this not interactable. And then we want to add it. See, you want to add this inner view first because you want it to set behind this this pop-up view. What up? Did you mean blah blah blah? Did I spell it wrong? Okay, yeah, sorry. We have a construction going on outside my office, so that's bad. I don't like it. See, you can you don't see it now, but if I let me hide it. Let me set it. So when I hide this front view, you will see it pop inside. See this? So what we want to do is when we press it, it change. So in UI button, we can override a property called is highlighted, and whenever we got this highlighted, it means we touched it. So we're gonna use this set here, and we are going to see how to do it. So what I want to do, I want the Neumorphic View to be hidden. So I can use hidden, but because I'm gonna do some animation later, so I probably use alpha. So if it's highlighted, it's gonna be, oops, not hidden. Highlighted is gonna be what? It's gonna be 0 and then 1. Otherwise 1. Same thing. This one, if it's highlighted, but it's gonna be opposite. It's maybe, let's see, if not highlighted, we're gonna hide it. Otherwise, we showed it. let's see. Let's build it. Let's see. We probably have to call layout if needed, but we will see. Oh, we don't see. Boop, 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 boop. How cool is that? I like it. Well, but I think I can make it better. See this text in the middle? It feels weird because in the real world, when you touch something, when you push something inside, I think this text should be should shrink slightly, not much, but slightly. Okay, just put some animation inside there. Animate. I'm gonna use the where did this animated spring bumper 0.3 second, delay is 0, and the damping I'm gonna use 0.8. This I don't know, maybe 5. I don't think it does. It matters. And I want to use the curve ease in out, and I don't need any compression, so I can do this. Let's see, and we have to make it like, whoa, okay, south, okay, and what's the simulator? Oh, okay, let's build again first. And we want it to shrink a little bit, right? This is better. See, you see some slightly transition. It's not like just changing. Okay, and we want to shrink it. How? We're gonna use see if it's highlighted. We are going to shrink it a little bit more, right? So we are gonna use CGA transform with this scale. I just want it to be shrink a little bit, not much. So otherwise I will, so let's see if it's highlighted, it will shrink it, we'll scale it down. If not, become normal. Right, so let's try that. I think it's gonna look good. Boom, boom. Oh, nice. Nice. I think I can do it all day. See how it shrink inside? Like the text smaller. Or you can play with these parameters like shadow colors, everything. Let's try in dark mode. Oh, okay, looks cool. The text can, like this text can, the color can be, I mean, lighter, but it's alright. Alright, I think that's it. Hope you have fun. And this neumorphic design trend, I think it's you will see more and more UI using this trend because it's new and I think it's pretty cool. So guess I will see you next time. Bye.